Bonjour all. Hope all are fine and healthy. Let's start with today's class. Today we are going to learn or we are going to revise verbs. There are three groups of verbs in French. As you can see here, I have written all the three groups. In first group, er ending verbs are there. The verbs which ends with er are there in first group. In second group, all the verbs which ends with ir. And in third, all the verbs which ends with re. Now see the first point. Here I have explained how we conjugate the verb, the first group verb, er ending verb. In er ending verb, we cut er from the infinitive verb. For example, if the verb is parler, spelling is parler, it is ending with er. So what we will do, we will cut er from the verb, and then instead of er we will add es, ons, ez, ent respectively with the subject pronouns je. For example, with je, after cutting er we will add e. With you we will add es. With il and l we add e. With no we add ons. With vous we add ez, and with il l plural we add ent. For example, I have conjugated one verb for you. You can see parler. Parler. See the verb, I have underlined er because it is er ending verb, so I have underlined er. After cutting er with je, I have added e. With you, es. With il, e. With l, e. No, ons. Vous, ez. Il, l plural, ent, ent. Now how to pronounce this verb after conjugating? The verb is, the infinitive verb is parler, spelling parler. After conjugating, we pronounce je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle, elle parle. This is how we conjugate the first group verb, er ending verb. Second group, which is ir ending verb. In this verb, we cut ir from the infinitive verb and we add is, it, issons, isses, ent respectively with the subject pronoun je, tu, il, nous, vous, and il plural. For example, you can see over here finir. I have written verb finir, and finir is ending with ir. So we will cut ir and then we will add is with je, subject pronoun je. With subject pronoun tu, we again add is. With subject pronoun il, we add it. With no, we add issons. With vous, we add isses. With il, plural, we add isses, ent. Now how to pronounce after conjugating the verb? The infinitive verb is finir, which means to finish. The conjugation is je finis, tu finis, il finit, elle finit, nous finissons, vous finissez, ils finissent, elles finissent. Here I have written both the plural subject pronoun il, together. I was not having much space on this page. That's why il, finissent. Now let's come to third group verb, which is re ending verb. Same way, in this group also we will cut re from the infinitive verb and then we add s. With je, subject pronoun je, we add s. With you, we again add s. With il, we just have to cut re. We will not add anything with this. With no ons, with vous, ez. With il, plural, ent, ent. For example, attendre. Attendre means to wait. Attendre, to wait. As it is ending with re, so we have eliminated or we have cut re from the infinitive verb. Then with je, we have added s, tu, s, il, nothing. We have just removed re. With no ons, with vous, ez with ill l plural ent ent. Now you can see the verb is starting here, the verb is starting with a vowel. So that's why whenever any verb is starting with a vowel with subject pronoun je, we eliminate e and we put apostrophe. So the pronunciation of this verb is, the infinitive verb is attendre. Conjugations: j'attends, tu attends, il attend, elle attend, nous attendons, vous attendez, ils attendent, elles attendent. Now there is slight difference in the pronunciation with nous, vous, il and elle. In nous, we will pronounce the attendo with s. The last alphabet of nous, subject pronoun nous, we pronounce with attendons. So the pronunciation goes like this: nous attendons, vous attendez, ils attendent, elles attendent. The sound comes za, not attendons, attendez, it is attendons, attendez, attendent, attendent. Okay, now the main thing. There are few irregular verbs also which do not have any rule to conjugate them. In French, there are always some exceptions are there. 90% are the regular verbs or regular nouns. With the nouns also we have some irregular nouns exceptions, and with the verbs also we have some exception. So those verbs we all have to learn as they come in our course. You can also learn the regular and irregular verbs from your previous book. At the end there are 3-4 pages are given with full of verbs with the conjugations in present tense, past tense, imperative. You just have to learn 3 tense, which that is present tense, past tense which means passé composé, and imperative form. In our next class we will go through the articles. We will again revise all the articles which we have learned till class 6. Thank you.